Hello everyone. Today we will describe our last week in the first stage. So I guess firstly I will describe our weekly assignments. First task as a test for this week is grid CSS grid test. I added 50 points for this test since grid it's not popular right now, but you need to know how to work with it. Let's go to the next. We have a cross check regarding online Zoo week 3. Yeah, criteria as described here. This is the same thing which you did in the previous weeks. Also, you have a online Zoo week 4. It's for adding additional functionality for pages which you created as a menu, slider, pagination, and pop-up, and all of information described in documentation. And I guess I can share more than here. And I guess main thing why we are here, it's our interview, like a text screening part. As you can see, registration for the interview until 16th of December. It's mean until this time you need to register in RS app. You have a button to as a named interview. You need to select and register there. So, and you need, as described here, you need to do it until of 16, and you cannot register for the interview after this time. Also, you have a text as interview with a mentor. Between 16th and 13th of December, you will need to contact the mentor and choose a suitable date for the interview. And a couple of words regarding interview. At the interview, the mentor will not ask anything extremely complicated. Only what you passed and learned during this time, but it help if you prepared for this text screening. So that's why I've added 1 week as a break. As you can see, next, between week 1 and week as a week 1 in the stage 2, we have 1 extra week for payment. It means like from 15 to 26 of December, and spend this time to prepare for the interview, to contact with the mentor. Yeah, and I guess that's all from my side for this session. Yeah, something from your side? Questions? Is it clear?
Well, hi again. I wanted to ask question about our assignment online Zoo week 4.
Yeah.
Can we use some libraries like swiper.js for the carousels or light boxes for pop-up, kind of that?
If I'm not mistaken, we described here as no extra libraries. As you can see, technical requirement here. It's not for first week. It's for all of the tasks.
Well, okay.
You need to that's why it's I've added 1 week to create extra additional functionality as a slider. It's so easy to reuse already created library to a slider, but you need to understand how it works and try to create your own, and for pop also. Is it clear?
Yes, quite clear.
Yeah, I know that's it's awful that on the internet I guess you already searched that a lot of libraries which can easily reuse, but you should understand how it works in deep. So that's why we have this week for training to creating your own functionality. Anyone else? Did I mention that tomorrow I will send like a list of the questions which mentor can ask in your interview? It can be the same questions, but it's a group of the questions and terms which you passed during this course, during this stage, to be clear. Any questions, queries?
How or where we will get contacts of our interviewer?
You need to complete interview till this time, until this time, like 30th December. Like if you already registered for interview, you need to contact with the mentor as soon as possible, because he also, you should you should schedule the suitable time for all of you, like for mentor and for students, because all of our students work in an IT company, and it's difficult to find the gaps in the schedule.
It means we will get contacts after registration, yeah? Contacts of interviewer.
Yeah.
Okay.
Till this time you need to register for interview. It means like you need to go rest up and press button to register. From my side, I will add after 16, I will add mentor for you. You will get a mentor, and then after 16th of December, you need to contact with him.
Okay, thank you.
I guess that's all. thank you for joining. Yeah, if you have a question, write in Discord channel, I will answer.